In this video, I'll show you how to fix Netflix not streaming in 4K if your movies and shows aren't playing in Ultra HD quality. Follow these steps to make sure your account is set up correctly. First, sign in to your Netflix account and click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the menu, select Account to open your account settings. Once you're on the account page, scroll down and select Playback Settings. Here, you'll find the data usage option. Make sure it is set to high. This setting allows Netflix to stream content in the highest quality available, including Ultra HD 4K when supported. After updating the setting, save your changes and restart your Netflix stream. Keep in mind that not every movie or TV show is available in 4K. To find content that supports Ultra HD, use the Netflix search bar and search for 4K or Ultra HD. Also, make sure you have a Netflix plan that includes 4K streaming compatible device and a stable high-speed internet connection, as these are all required for Ultra HD playback. That's how you can fix Netflix not working in 4K. This guide helped you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.